Young man, I extend a warm welcome to each of you at our captivating science exhibition today. We all know that India have landed on moon successfully, the first one to land on the south pole of the moon and the fourth country to do so. So, we are here to celebrate the phenomenal feat of ISRO scientists as well as India on landing of the moon successfully. On behalf of all the participating students, those who have given their whole heart and their mind to make this program successful, I welcome you all. Before we present you the model and the whole program, we would like to grace this program with the wishes of God. So I would like to request our dearest Kaka, Principal Ma'am Kusmani, and our senior most teachers, Miss Sima and Miss Rina, to come forward and to light up the lamp, please.
Principal ma'am and each individual present in this auditorium. Ladies and gentlemen, I Shwara Rai of Class 10 would like to offer my warm welcome to the science exhibition of Saraswati Vidyadan Academy. Today, we gather to celebrate the state of inquiry, innovation and exploration that lies at the heart of scientific discovery. This exhibition is extra special for us because it is entirely the effort of our students, and they are not experts, but are rather at a learning stage. This exhibition is not just a display of projects, it is a testament to the curiosity and dedication of our young minds. As we walk through the exhibits, let us remember that science is not confined to textbooks and classrooms. It is a dynamic force that shapes the way we perceive the world and empowers us to find solutions to its challenges. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our teachers and mentors who have guided and inspired these budding scientists on their journey of discovery. I also commend the parents for their wavering support in nurturing the curiosity of their children.
Chandrayaan is a series of missions aimed at understanding the moon's mysteries right from the surface to its origins.
Sukriti, how does Chandrayaan explore the moon?
Chandrayaan consists of an orbiter, a lander and a rover. The orbiter orbits the moon, studying its surface and its mineral composition. The lander carries the rover, which explores the lunar surface of floors.
So ma'am.
So what is there actually? What?
No, phone is actually they have placed phone over here. Now you can see the enlarged version of the same video.
So? Yes? Gone? Where? Huh? Yeah, very good.
No, you just explain.
So, can you show?
Self-made water filter. Yes, clean. Very nice.
Yeah, Ishan.
Yeah,
This one? Huh?
simple example of drip irrigation.
Separate the mixed oil and all the containers where the mixed oil will be there.
यहाँ माथि कहाँ राख्छ भने यहाँ राख्नुपर्ने हो नि त्यसमा मोटर छ मोटर फिट
Then alternate oil will be raised from there.
You just explain how it works.
Put it in all the glasses. Hey, what happened? Just drop on it. Drop on it. Don't put everything. Explain all this one.
Watch it. Now 75%. When it is full, what happens?
How you can produce water. So first it comes here. In waterfalls it comes here. In our rooftop, then it comes here and you can see that rainwater flows from roof to storage
This is our Earth. I put one motor, battery, and then switch. That is a battery. Okay. This is a little head. All axis points. Okay. This is our sun, this is our Earth, and this is the
See how the water level when it increases to 100%. See what's happening over there? The red light, danger light is coming.
Oh, 저기